back to my channel. So आज का वीडियो हमारा रहेगा animation, how you can create animated videos or small clips of the animated video if you want it for a reels or upload it for Facebook and anywhere else as you wanna show to people how you do, if you wanna show off or something, so you can do just by that. So let me get things ready for you. So yeah, open up your Chrome or any browser you have in your PC or laptop or your mobile phone. You can also use it on your mobile phone as well. So let's start. I have Chrome, so I'm gonna just copy paste that URL. So here is that URL. I'm going to pin this URL in comment box, so you can go from there as well. So this is the website I was talking about. So it's animated drawing. So let's start it. So how you can do it, it's showing in the little window is over there as well. But let me give you practical. So how you can do that as well. So here is the steps. How can you do some, or how can you upload, and how you can check for yourself, or if you wanna, if you are those type of guys who are check step-by-step guidance, then you can check it from here and see for yourself. I'm just going to upload this drawing as an example. So I will select this one. So it's automatically going to do all the heavy stuff for you. So you just have to align these lines. So the character is get inside this small window. You just have to align these lines. So perfect. I think it's pretty good. So let's click on next, and it automatically going to process all of the work. You can check with the here as well what it's saying. We separated the character from the background and highlighted it. Checklist. The body part of your character are not highlighted. Use the pen and erase tool to fix it. So I'm just reading this for you, so you don't have to read it. But my character is fully covered in this white paint. So let's just click on next. Yeah, it's already have all these things jointed in his body. So let's just click next, and here it is. Our animation is done. You can see that you can select these animation as well: jumping, dance, funny, jumping, walking. You can see what kind of walk is this. It has funky little joy thing. Yeah. Look at him. So that's it for today. If you want to animate your own drawing, so you can also do from here. You just have to go to this post page and upload your photo. So I already have a photo of this, so I'm just going to upload it. I'm not sure it's going to work or not, so let's go. So let's just select it will be on the it's all aligned in this box. Let's click on next. Yeah, I'm just going to select this. If you want to go with, and you have one or more than one character, you can also select by. You can also do these. Draw your highlight your character as well. So just this one will be fine. So let's see. Yeah. Let's click next, and let's see for the final result. Whoa, unexpected. I'm not going to say that it's unexpected, but it was pretty expected for this website. I already tried it, so I just show you how you can do it as well. So thanks for watching. Please like this. If you ever want to share this in a reel or something, please tag me on Instagram as well. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.